Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 16-35mm f4 G lens. This new 16-35mm f4 lens from Sony has been optimally designed for creators. Now, while the name might not suggest that there are very many differences between this and the Zeiss lens, there's actually loads, so let's take a look. Size has got to be one of the most obvious differences. I've got both lenses side by side here, and as you can see, the new one is much smaller, more compact and lighter, which is great if you're after that smaller full frame setup without compromising on your focal length or quality. Sticking with the more compact theme, this lens has an internal zoom, so no matter if you are zoomed out to 16mm or zoomed into 35mm, this is as big as the lens is going to get. I said at the beginning that this lens was designed for creators, and that's because it's now actually Sony's lightest constant f4 wide-angled zoom G lens to feature power zoom, and it's that power zoom feature which is really useful when it comes to video. It allows you to have a constant smooth zoom with ease using the rocker on the side of the lens rather than the manual zoom ring, which can sometimes take a while to master getting it smooth. Not only this, but the power zoom system features XD linear motors for zooming and not just for autofocus. This is a first for alpha lenses and allows you to have more control over the zoom in terms of speed, as well as offering silent shooting, which is exactly what you want when shooting video. We've got high resolution and contrast corner to corner at any focal length compared to the Zeiss 16-35mm, so there are noticeable improvements in the quality of the lens, and a 7-blade circular aperture, carefully designed spherical aberration, super ED and ED glass elements, which all deliver smooth and clean bokeh without colour bleeding. One of the things you might notice about this lens is that there are lots of control rings and buttons and switches all over it. Well, one of the things I really like about it is the fact that we've got this step down difference between the focus ring and the zoom ring, so when you're using it, you're not going to get confused between the two. We've also got our aperture control ring just on the bottom here, which I absolutely love, with an iris lock, and we've also got a clicker control, so if you are shooting movies, just turn the clicker off so that you don't get that annoying little noise. On the side here, then we've got our focus, auto and manual focus switch, focus hold button, and of course our power zoom lever. Depending on what camera you're using, you have lots of control for the zoom speeds. For example, you can set the zoom speed separately for standby and movie recording. So essentially you could have it high for standby to quickly reframe your shots and slow for the actual recording. You can also customize other options in the menu as well. One of the things I absolutely love about this lens is its focal length. You've got that 16mm super wide angle, which is perfect for your landscapes, your architecture, your property type of shots, and anything else cool that you want to shoot with it. And then you can zoom all the way into 35mm, which gives you that really natural perspective. So that's great for things like portraits, pictures of the family, pets, and kind of other everyday stuff. And let's not forget all of the other focal lengths in between. It's also absolutely brilliant for video, because that 16mm super wide angle is great for vlogging, especially if you want to get your background in. If you'd like to find out any more information on the new Sony FE PZ 16-35mm f4 G lens, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.